Good morning, students. After ancient Olympic Games, history and rules of the ancient Olympic game, today we are with a new topic in Olympic value education, that is history of modern Olympic Games. In this history, now presently Olympics are going on. Now last Olympic conducted in 2016 in Rio de Janeiro and 2020 Olympics scheduled in Tokyo, and this is not held because of this coronavirus. And today we will discuss about this history of modern Olympic Games. See, all over the world, different dynasties were there, king ruling was there, one dynasty was fighting with the other, likewise crisis was going on. So person known as Pierre Baron de Coubertin, this was the person who born in France in 1862. He was the person, his father was interested that he should join the Sainik Academy and later on in the army. So he studied political science and he was not interested in the defense and all. And by seeing the crisis between different dynasties, he thought if Olympics are conducted, games are conducted among different nations, there will be friendly relation, and this fighting war and all or bloodsheds, it will stop. This was the idea of Mr. Baron de Coubertin. He thought this idea and he left that Sainik Academy what his father was interested. Later on he studied political science and came to know about the crisis of the world. Then he thought of starting the Olympic Games. So he called a meeting. First meeting was called in 1893, and many representatives of different countries like Italy, Greece, Spain, Sweden, they took part, but many of them disagree about his idea and he was failed. So again next year he called meeting. In this meeting was held on 16 June 1894. In that 13 countries in which 75 representatives participated, and this meeting he succeeded in 1894. Most of the countries, they were in favor of starting the modern Olympics. So he succeeded, worldwide support, and first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896. 1896 was the first year where Olympics started in Olympic Village, Olympiad, where ancient Olympics were conducted. See, we have discussed about ancient Olympic history. Same way, this meeting was held in Paris and all, but they decided to conduct first Olympic in Athens, because Athens was the only developed civilization of that time in olden days, and they used to conduct Olympics, that is ancient Olympic. So modern Olympic also Mr. Coubertin thought of starting from here. Okay, in first Olympic, total participation was only 9 countries. Now you see the comparison. In first Olympic 1896, 9 countries, and 2016 Rio Olympic, Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. In Brazil, they have more than 200 countries participated in this Olympic. See the difference. In first Olympic, 9 countries participated, and in presently in 2016 there are more than 200 countries participated. And even in between, around 1972, one example is quoted in the book, that is in 1972 Munich Olympic, 125 or more countries participated in that. So likewise, every time participation is increasing. Now participation of women was not there in first Olympic, and now presently in 2006 more than 4,000 girls participated and more than 8,000 male members participated, men's participated in the Olympic. So every year there is increase in the participation and increase in the number of players as well as number of countries. This is the all history about modern Olympic Games. Thank you and have a healthy day.